I was working on the Norwegian cruise line, NCL, as an entertainer on the main stage. I was coming to the point where this is great, but is this my true vocation? I started to see this repeatable meaning in my life that had to do with being a voice and helping people discover their own unique God-given voices. My contract came up for renewal, and I decided not to renew it. Go back to school and get a master's in speech language. After I received my master's degree, then I was hired at Glendale Adventist Medical Center, and I was their first voice therapist in the clinic. And I worked with professional speakers and pastors and airline pilots, not just vocalists. I didn't work with just all the wonderful healthy voices, but I was in there helping people using very poor vocal hygiene and vocal techniques, and their whole livelihood depended on it. So if the students have been in my vocal techniques class, then I've had the opportunity to work one-on-one with them, because that's part of the class, and we are working on building their range and all the good techniques they need for singing. The one-on-one voice lesson is really crucial, I think, for their development. We focus on increasing their range, smoothing out their registers. We work through the passaggio. We're also building their audition repertoire. We talk about your oral posture and how to sustain your pitch, also how to maintain a healthy voice throughout the production. Sometimes students come in with a preconceived perception of their voice, and there are times when I have to, or we need to explore what is your God-given voice, not mimicking someone else, but who are you? What's your voice? What's your gift? And how can we make this blossom and grow into your own unique voice instead of trying to sound like somebody else? Helping to be a part of something beautiful and helping them become the storytellers they're meant to be, using their own God-given gifts. And then when I see them perform on stage and, yeah, they nailed it and they did it, that is so incredibly rewarding. It's a great joy and honor, really.
Initially, I was thinking like, oh yeah, this is the story of Wednesday and Lucas, but we decided it's really a story of Gomez and Morticia and how they have to deal with handing a child over to someone else. That's very difficult.
Playing Morticia, she is in a way a role model for me when I was doing the part. You kind of just have to be confident to play Morticia, but I also really relate to